Hello guys, this is Sandra with GC Termite Control, and today we have another pest control bulletin where we're going to be talking about subterranean termite prevention. In San Diego County, one of the more devastating wood-destroying organisms are the subterranean termites. For this reason, it is highly recommended that preventive measures are taken on your property to protect it from any wood-destroying organism infestation. To many of us, purchasing a home, it's the biggest investment that will be done in our lifespan, so it makes great sense to protect it from any attack. The most important step is to know and to be educated on what a subterranean termite infestation looks like. One must be proactive and constantly perform visual inspections around the perimeter of the structure to find and control infestations on its early stages. By doing this, you will be potentially saving thousands of dollars in the long run. The three most common signs are mud tubes around the structure or its foundation, subterranean termite swarmers or wings on the interior of the building, and wood damage that is filled with dirt or mud. Another great way of preventing subterranean termite infestations is by maintaining your property with various DIY solutions. This will assist you in maintaining an environment that will minimize the possibilities of an infestation. They will usually be very low cost to implement, so it is a great way of protecting your investment before the costs get any higher. Some of the most common do-yourself solutions available to prevent a subterranean termite infestation are: control the moisture levels around the structure, especially in the crawl space. Have a properly ventilated crawl space. Have all wood bark or mulch at least 18 inches away from the foundation of the structure. Remove any wood or firewood that is close to the structure. Store it as far away as possible in a raised or covered area. Remove any cellulose debris from the interior of your crawl space. Avoid any wood to earth contacts, and make sure there is not a faulty grade towards your structure. Finally, the best and proven way to protect your property against any wood-destroying organisms is by having a control service plan. This is where you leave the job to be handled by a professional licensed inspector and technician. There are multiple weapons for control at his disposal commonly, but usually it would include the use of a liquid termicide like Termiter SC or termite base stations, or a combination of both methods. These are guaranteed solutions, so you know that you're getting the best protection available. As well, it is a safer option for residential properties, as no chemicals will be stored at your home and will minimize the risk of contamination. Subterranean termites are no joke. If you leave them unattended, they will create thousands and thousands of dollars in damage to your structure. In the US, termites are estimated to cost over $5 billion in structural damage. Do not become a part of that statistic. Be a proactive property owner and protect your investment today. If needed, give us a call at 619-421-2101 or send us a message through our website at gctermitecontrol.com, and one of our expert representatives will assist you with your subterranean termite preventive solutions. Okay, that is all for today. If you have any comments or questions, please do leave them below, and I hope that you're having a great day.